Jeff Fears on the Hat Homestead. Today, I got, on a super bright sunny day, I got a little package here. We're going to open it up. We're going to see what it is. It's actually pretty cool. It's amazing how small of a package it is. But let's take a look at the package. There you go, folks. It's that box. And then I'm going to take this 1/4-inch hardware cloth and we're going to put with it. The hardware cloth is going to go underneath. This, guys, is a raised bed garden, one of those metal raised bed gardens. So we're going to put it together. It says it's 2 foot by 4 foot by 8 foot. So that's pretty good size. So let's cut into it and see how easy it is to put together. So I got the first row done. And there are a lot of little bolts and nuts in this thing. It actually is like 75 or so. So what I did was right here on the top of all of them, I did not do that one, and the same thing with down there on the ends, because the other layer of panels are going to have to go up over this. Now, this bolt here and on the other side is extra long. And the reason why it's extra long is because you've got 2 of them here that overlap. Then you have 2 more on top of it that's going to overlap. Plus you got this. So you need that extra length for this. So it seems odd that there's 2 extra bolts, but that's why. These are also labeled as A and B. And at first, I was thinking, why would they be labeled different? Well, the reason being is because the ones on the ends are shorter than these other ones. There's 4 of those, and then there's 8 of those. And this is a 5/16. So it's a 5/16 that I use just to help tighten it down. Just a standard Phillips for the other side. Now it comes with tools, but for those, that was easier for me. This is the wrench it comes with. So it's nice that it's got tools. Here's the screwdriver. Here's the extra long bolts. I don't know why there's 3 though. Not too sure why there's 3 of those. Some gloves. Now these gloves, when you first look at them, they look like they're for a kid. They do stretch, but I don't know, if you have super big hands, they probably won't work. So that's where we're at so far. Still got a lot more to do. I got my hardware cloth down. That's 1/4-inch hardware cloth. That will help keep critters from coming up from underneath. And she's complete. Actually, it looks pretty good. Some of the highlights I want to just do on this is put the ends together first. And then when you put the ends together with these corner pieces, it kind of, you can lean it against something. And then you put the first panel on. And then you do the same thing to the other side. And then it will stand up. And then it makes it easy to do the centerpiece. And then on those extra long screws that they have, those go right here. The reason why is because you got 4 pieces of the siding coming together plus this. So that has to be longer to get through all of it. These cross pieces, I put the center one together first. And then from there, just you go on the very bottom. And then you go one down from the top. And then your top piece goes up here, obviously. And of course, I had leftover screws. But yeah, I can't find where I could use them other than maybe right here, but I wouldn't know why I would use them there. These sidings are nice because there is no sharp edges on it. So I like that a lot. This though has some, but it's really not that sharp, but you can cut yourself on it. But this here is fine. On the corner pieces, it would have been nice if they would have had a cap to put on the corner pieces, because these are nice and smooth, but this is not. So you just got to be careful with the corners or do something about this. I don't know. It would have been nice if they had a cap or something to put on there. So I got my hardware cloth. That's just 1/4 inch. And then that way, critters really can't come up from underneath, hopefully. But it's 2 by 4 by 8. I like it. It looks good. Concho approves. Concho helped out building it. There you go, folks. It's all completed. The Garvee raised garden bed. That one is 2 by 4 by 8. I do actually like it. Thanks for tuning in. See you. Bye. Have fun.